They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum when people come to see 'em. They really are a scream, the Addams Family. Neat, sweet, petite. So put a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl.